Alright, here's your assignment. Looks huge. I get it. It's like, what? But you're only doing the odds, okay? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc., etc., etc. Okay? So I'm going to help you with, I guess, I'll help you with a few, okay? Because I do see that there's a lot of problems on here, but they shouldn't be too bad. I'm sorry, it's a little blurry, it's a little weird looking. I can't get Schoology on my iPad for some reason, so I had to take a picture of my computer screen. So notice on the top, I went ahead and drew my faces so I don't forget them. It just helps me, and whatever helps, then I like doing. So remember, odd numbers, okay? So let's go ahead and start with number 1. I realize that it says use a number line to find each product, but we're not going to worry about that. Number 1. 5 times a negative 3. We have a positive and a negative. So if we look at our signs, the signs are different. Have a negative attitude whenever one of our eyes has been apparently punched, right? That's what it looks like. So that means our answer, that means our answer is going to be negative, okay? And then all we have to know is 5 times 3. It's 15. All right, let's go to number 7. Actually, we're not going to do number 7. That's the exact same one. You have to do it, but I'm not. 9 through 15, it's division. Kind of looks like addition. 9 and 13 look like addition, but it's division. It's just hard to tell. So let's do number 9. 32, positive 32 divided by negative 4. And it says find each quotient. Remember, the quotient is an answer to a division problem. So the same rules apply. We have a positive and a negative. When the signs are different, that means our answer is going to be negative. So now all you have to know is how many times does 4 go into 32. Okay, 32 divided by 4 is 8. So it's a negative 8. Okay, easy money. Let's see here. Let's go to number 11. Number 11 is negative 20 divided by negative 5. Think about those faces. Negative times a negative. Eyes look the same. They're happy. Okay, so the answer is positive. So you just got to know 20 divided by 5, which is 4. I'm going to read number 17 for you. I'm not going to help you do it, but I'm going to read it for you. Angelina hiked along a 2,250-foot mountain trail. She stopped 5 times along the way to rest, walking the same distance between each stop. So how far did Angelina hike before her first stop? So you're taking this total distance and you're splitting it into 5 equal parts. Wonder what operation that sounds like. Not to mention, it's a part of the practice that says find the quotient, and I just told you what quotient means. So, all right, let's go down here a little bit further. Let's go to 21. I'll help you with 21 real quick. Shouldn't be a problem though. Think about these. Sorry, there we go. Think about the faces. We have a positive 3 and a negative 4. Positive and a negative. Eyes look a little messed up, so you'd probably be in a little bit negative mood. All right, so the answer is going to be negative, and then just 3 times 4 is 12. Going down, you've got more division. Number 31, a positive divided by a negative. Positive divided by a negative is going to be a negative answer. And 81 divided by 9 is 9. 34 is even, so don't worry about that. Then we do get down here to 35 through 42. You get some that have a extra amount of numbers. But you don't have to. Let's see, you have to do 35, 37, 39, 41. Oh, so you don't even get 40 and 42. which is unfortunate. But I'm going to go ahead and do them real quick. Okay, like I'm going to do number 38. We have a negative times a positive times a negative. How many negatives is that? That's 2 negatives, so the answer is going to be even. And to prove it, I'm going to do these right here. Negative 3 times positive 4 is a negative, and 3 times 4 is 12. And then the remainder of the problem, that's a negative 1, is multiplying times a negative 1. And we already know that a negative times a negative is a positive, and 12 times 1 is 12. Remember, we had an even amount of negatives, so the answer is going to be positive. Let's look at number 40. How many negatives do you see? I see 1, I see 2. That means the answer is going to be positive. So I can just do 5 times 4 times 2. 5 times 4 is 20, and 20 times 2 is 40. So it is a positive 40. Number 42. I'm doing these because your assignment is odds and you need to know this anyways. How many negatives do you see? 1, 2. 2 is an even number, so that means the answer is going to be positive. So we'll just do 2 times 5, which is 10, and times 9 is 90. Okay? Get this done, get it turned in, depending on who your teacher is. Turn it in or wait till you get to class and grade it. Okay? Make sure that you follow along whatever your own personal teacher does. Have a great day.